Hi, hello, how are you all? I hope all are happy. So, this is a special video. It's a realistic video. These are not makeups. I haven't made up anything. See, so this special video is being created just to give a special type of motivation for those people who are having the same frequency of mind. See, a couple of days before I met with a small accident. You can't say the word accident, it won't be so proper. To avoid an accident, I just skidded from my bike, so these scratches happen even on my two legs. Knees are being terribly scratched, so all our patchwork is there. So I'm in terrible pain now actually, but still I am faking my smile. I am trying to laugh just to make my mind divert. Okay, the reason behind this is, we have heard many motivational talks from many peoples, wise people, normal people. Many are actually free to give any advice. Okay, all are really happy to give advices. Okay, so from that you would have heard most people used to say, wise people used to say, even children also used to say, what? Pain is inevitable, but suffering is your choice. So whenever I used to hear these motivational speeches, okay, I used to think all these motivational speakers are well dressed. So okay, all are having a separate level of life. They are well happy, settled, and they are giving the motivational speech in a separate level. So I used to think these words are possible, but in reality, when they come in reality, are they really possible? Are these people are really having a choice on their sufferings? Like they used to say, pain is inevitable, suffering is your choice. But are they having this really in practice, or how much they have succeeded in bringing those words in practice, walking the talk? So now I'm trying, I'm really trying always, like whenever something is good being heard or told, I used to absorb and make it as a practice, whatever, even if it is a silly thing, but that gives me happiness. So now, for people like me out there, those who are thinking whether it is practically possible that suffering is your choice, this video will help you. See, right now I'm immense pain. I'm having immense pain. See, all the wound are really giving me immense pain, but still I am faking a smile. I am talking to you, just diverting the mind so that the pain which we feel will be lesser. Actually, it's right. Those words are really working, but the practical thing is that we have to have a courage to put over a special strength to take over the pain and to have show our choice of suffering, which we really, if you are having a choice, yes, we are having a choice. Right now I tried singing songs for like that time being literally, we won't be feeling that pain, like which were things which we make, which we feel happy more. So those things can be tried when these situations arise. So this is a reality situation which I am trying to show it to you. Maybe in the history of, I don't know whether someone have tried this. Like I thought this is also a type of mind diversion if I am making a video and posting it, so that the people will be knowing. So okay, I haven't told my family about this because they will be getting worried about these things. See, so now the best thing to be happy in these situations are not to curse that circumstance which made these things happen, but to find the positive, small, even the smallest things which had helped you a lot in between. See, if I could avoid that accident, like I could, a boy came with his bicycle across the road suddenly, so I have to avoid the accident. If I would have hit him, what would have happened? Much bigger. So that way I am happy a level of happiness is there, a level of blessing is there. If I am counting such blessings, you will get a chance to smile again and again. Then see, even if I am far away from my home, so many people around are really helping me a lot for caring me. They are giving me food, everything 3 times. They are coming me asking, and so all those things really are next level of blessings. So if I am counting that, I'll be having a chance to laugh, a smile. So in this way, if I am having, see, nearby friends, the landlord family where I am staying, they are all helping me a lot. So these things are blessings counted on. So if you are focusing on those things, you can divert your mind from pain to your choice to less suffer. So these things are ideally practicable, but the thing is that you have to have that point of courage where at this time how to practice it. So that this was the situation. See, I made this painful situation even fruitful by making this video, so that the people out there thinking like, oh, after hearing all those motivational videos, like they will be thinking just like me before. Okay, to tell, to talk, to speak out is easy, but to practice, to make it into practice life experience, it's not so easy. So now I was thinking, why not try me? I am trying now. See, it's successful. About 50% of suffering is like in control. See how it works? It works. So pain is inevitable. You have to have it. You can enjoy a limit up to a limit, and you have the choice of suffering. Yes, you have the choice, but for that you have to divert your mind in such a way that you have to count your blessings from morning till evening. What all things are happening, you can count on, and you will get chance to have a smile. And even if you are not having a smile, try to fake it, so that at that moment pain will be reduced. It's my experience. So in the morning time, see, if I am thinking about these pains, like the biggest blessing for any human being, okay, is not that lavish form of life. It is just to be independent on his own legs and hands, like on his own body, to be confident, like in the morning, to do your brushing, to do your morning routine, bathroom, all those things. If you are doing it on your own, just think it's a biggest thing on this planet. Millions of people are not having so many things like that. So just count on even the minute things which you are having, so that you can divert your mind from pain to less suffering. Okay, so I'm happy, I'm enjoying the pain. So you also should try this. So I hope a level of motivation for those extreme people who are like me would have got a level of motivation from this video. So enjoy. Thumbs up. Thank you and enjoy.